I was home alone when I suddenly heard a strange rustling sound coming from the hallway. I slowly walked over to see what was going on, and that's when I saw Jorge, who was opening panels in the wall and ... My name is Albert, and I'm a psychology student. I believe that, given today's complex world, psychologists are more needed than ever, and we still don't have enough of them. I've always been good at helping people work through their issues, and whenever people thanked me, I felt that maybe I had a knack for it, so I decided to grow in this field. Beyond my studies, I've always loved animals, especially dogs. My love for animals led me to spend a lot of time at local shelters, where I would walk dogs, help with adoptions, and keep the animals clean and cared for. Eventually, my passion grew into an interest in how dogs could be so obedient to humans. I started observing police dogs, which led to me working there as a trainer over time. I've lived a pretty quiet life here in Chicago. As a student without a big income, I decided to find a roommate to share rent costs. That's when Jorge came along. At first, Jorge seemed like an ideal roommate. He was friendly, we got along well, and we even became friends. He worked late nights, which I didn't mind since it meant I often had the place to myself, perfect for inviting over friends. After a while, though, I began to notice just how many packages Jorge was receiving, all from companies I'd never heard of. When I asked about it, he told me it was necessary for his job. I didn't press for details, figuring he'd tell me if he wanted to share more.